Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this new Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE. This vehicle comes with a 3-litre diesel engine mated to an automatic transmission as well as a 4-wheel drive system. Finished in the lovely Borasco Grey colour, the vehicle comes with a signature set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Some other exterior features include a front camera, and the vehicle sits on a set of 22-inch alloy wheels in a lovely satin black colour. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a heated rear window, and further help you park and manoeuvre, there's a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The vehicle features an electric tailgate with a key fob operation, revealing a large amount of storage space in the back of the vehicle, perfect for a large variety of items. In the back of the passenger area, we'll find a 3-seater bench finished in a lovely ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats have a recline and heated function, which can be accessed in the centre of the footwell. A sunroof allows plenty of natural sunlight in the vehicle, and up front we'll find some more of that comfortable ebony leather upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that comes with inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle. A comfortable armrest and 2 cup holders are in the centre console, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel, along with a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this new Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE. Thank you and goodbye.